In this lesson, we will learn how we can use Google Gemini for shopping. Let's say you want some gift ideas for someone who loves football, then you can easily ask Google Gemini. With that, you can also be age specific. Let's say you want some gifts for a kid aged 10, then you can also use such prompts to get recommendations. Let's see. So here's our Gemini. We logged in. Click new chat. Now let us get some gift ideas. What are some gift ideas for a boy kid aged 6? Okay, so here are some options provided. Creative gifts, art supplies, okay, sports equipments, remote control car. Okay, so you can see these many options are provided by Gemini. You can copy this from here. If you think it's useful, you can share, export to docs, or you can directly add it to a draft in Gmail. You can also modify the response. If you think the response is fruitful, useful, you can click on good response. Okay. You can also check for different other drafts, or you can listen to it. Now let us type what are some gift ideas for people who love cricket. Okay, let's see. Okay, there is a problem. What are some gift ideas? Okay, we updated it. Okay, t-shirt, bat, cricket jewelry also never heard. Cricket decorator. Okay, great. This looks fine. It has also given the link from Amazon. Now let's see what are some good cameras for recording YouTube videos. Let's see. Here are some suggestions with the links. Beginners, vloggers, action camera, webcam, and the factors are also mentioned for considering a good camera. You can copy it from here. Now you can click here and rename for shopping. Google Gemini for shopping. So guys, we saw how we can use Google Gemini to get some gift ideas, that is personalized recommendations regarding gift ideas. It has also shown us images as well as the links for the products. So that's really commendable. So I never saw such recommendations when I used ChatGPT or Copilot. So definitely Gemini looks great when we are using such prompts. Thank you for watching the video.